It looks so classy having the monogram print in it. And it's in the prawn leather. Ayan, ang ganda niya. In love ako sa kanya. Nang ma-in love ako sa'yo. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special episode and medyo takot akong ipakita to sa inyo pero dahil sobrang daming demand, for once at least or masimulan natin, I'm going to share with you all my Louis Vuitton favorites. Start tayo dito sa unang creation ni Virgil Abloh for Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton soft trunk na gawa ni Virgil Abloh nung lumipat siya as the creative director of Louis Vuitton. Parang siya pinas down ni Kim Jones from Kim Jones, lumipat si Kim Jones ng Dior, and then si Virgil Abloh from Off-White na main label niya, pinasok na creative director for men's Louis Vuitton. When pinasok si Virgil and pinalit si Kim Jones, si Kim Jones nga pala yung responsible para dun sa Supreme and Louis Vuitton na collaboration, yung fragments, yan. Siya yung siya yung may pakana nun, siya yung nag-mastermind or yung head nun talaga. Si Virgil naman, ang ginawa niya sa Louis Vuitton, kaya na in love ako ulit sa Louis Vuitton after niyang mag-design. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga gamit ko, hindi lang purely pambabae. So, idol ko yung dalawang designer ng Louis Vuitton, kaya bumalik yung love ko sa Louis Vuitton. Kasi for a long time, hindi talaga ako bumibili ng LV. So, ayun. Ito yung soft trunk niya. Nagko-collect ako ng male. But this one is like the men's version of the male. Yung una-una, it's so distinct kasi, 'di ba, yung monogram niya, and then meron siyang mga patterns, yung mga trimmings niya is black, and then ang pinaka-detail niya is parang highlighter yung kulay ng orange. It's very unusual for Louis Vuitton because Louis Vuitton used to be very safe. After Marc Jacobs' turn. Si Marc Jacobs before, I really love all his ideas for Louis Vuitton. So, nasa creative director talaga masasabi ko yung success ng isang brand. So, ang dami natin. One time gagawin natin yan ng Louis Vuitton 101 para masabi ko sa inyo yung reasons bakit minahal yung mga ganitong collection. So, it's another episode na can give information to you guys. So, moving forward, this one. This is from the men's. Then, this is a new collection. This is called the Kipal XS. This was a gift by my friend for me nung Christmas. Kasi linabas siya nung Christmas pero January na siya ni-launch. So, pre-order to. Strictly by pre-order and it's sold out right now everywhere. And I'm happy that I have it and it's a gift to me. So, yan. Nasuot ko na to eh. Nag-dentist ako. Meron ng OOTD sa It's Aimee Hashim na Instagram. So, yun. It has a strap. You can use it as a sling, as a crossbody, or messenger. Konti lang yung malalagay niya, essentials, but it actually fits a lot. I mean, mukhang konti yung malalagay niya, but it actually can fit a lot of things, like yung mga essentials niya. There. Okay. From there, this one naman. Yung mga minis. This one is the Felicie. Felicie is also one of the mga, classic nila may tuturing ngayon. Ito, regalo to sa akin ng aking mama. So, ayan. Ang Felicie, ang ganda niya kasi para siyang merong inserts inside. So, para kang may wallet on chain and then there's extra pouch and an extra wallet sa loob. Nalagay ng card. Ganda siya. And it's in my favorite color. It's purple. That's why she gave it to me. There. From Felicie, let's go to the Kirigami. Etong Kirigami, hindi ako mahilig sa... Actually, kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami nag-aano sa akin ng small leather goods. Pero gagawan ko kasi meron naman akong konting collection. Pero hindi ako heavy collector ng small leather goods. But this one, particularly, I loved it because of the color. Inaantay ko pa yung notebook nito, pero meron akong notebook nito eh. So, talagang sa akin, depende sa collection. The Kirigami consists of 3 pouches. So, pag binili mo siya, isa lang, pero ang laman niya is 3. So, ito. Pwede mo siyang gamitin, depends on your need. Pwede gamitin mo ito lang isa, pwede gamitin mo yung 2 inside your bag, or gamitin mo to as your coin purse. Diba? So, parang for me, multifunctional stuff are really a must or are good investments. Although I'm not saying na mga limited bilhin or what. I think that when something is multifunctional or can do a lot of things for you, you can keep it, or it's a nice thing to consider for you before buying it. The Kirigami is a good buy for me kasi ang dami niya, parang value for money is a check. So, there. From the Kirigami, let's go to the minis. Eto, may kwento to, and super nice yung kwento na to because these are not mine. These are Olivia's bags. This one was the first one that Olivia got for me. When I found out that I was pregnant, I didn't even know that it was a girl that time. She was a girl that time. I already prayed for it and I already claimed it. So I bought this bag. Sabi ko, bag yan ng anak ko and it will be a girl. I already claimed it and I prayed for it talaga. And nung nag-4 months si Olivia, we found out that she's a girl. So sobrang happy ko na may gagamit ng bag. Kasi medyo alanganin sa lola mo to, diba? Liit eh. So ayun, so wala, parang si Olivia talaga sa answered prayer. So there, this is her first bag. I'm not going to discuss the rest of her bags because we're going to do a haul of Olivia's bags with her one time. This one, the Vanity and OnTheGo. Para rin siyang multi-pochette. Di ko na sinama yung multi-pochette kasi na-discuss ko na yun before sa mga beginner's guide. This one is just like the same with the Felici, but this one's strap is different kasi para siyang yung sa multi-pochette na adjustable and may kulay. Ayan. Tapos, ganun, pwedeng sling, pwedeng shoulder bag, pwedeng messenger bag, or pwedeng itatanggalin mo to and gawin mo siyang pouch. Multifunctional, so value for money, and it's a good buy for me. It's an Aimee approved and Loveluxe approved bag for me. From the minis, let's move on to a classic. I featured this na sa beginner's guide ng mga bags. This is the Palm Spring Mini. It holds a lot. This was given to me by my friend also. So, marami talaga nag-gift sa akin. I'm very blessed. Thank you for your love. Usually, yung language of love din ng mga ibang friends ko, gifting. So, alam nila yung mga gusto ko pag nakita nila or narinig nila na bet ko yun. Binibilan ako or minsan na-orderin, papa-order sa akin. Tapos, pag deliver ko na yung ganito, papa-deliver ko na. So, sabihin sa akin, no, that's yours. So, wow! Kaya I'm very grateful talaga. Eto, yung muni Palm Spring. Eto, luma pa to, malalaman mo. Kasi, ang bagong Palm Spring ngayon, nakalabas na yung zipper niya. Kasi, ang zipper ng luma, nasa loob pa siya. So, medyo naging problem yan. Tingnan mo, medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Lalo na for people who don't use it a lot, or lagi nagpapalit ng bags, medyo mahirap siya. Paano kung nagte-travel ka, diba? So, pinalitan nila yan. Ginawa nila yung zipper, naka-out na. Mas madali na siyang i-access. So, from time to time, nagagawa din talaga sila ng mga changes. Another side note dun sa changes, from the original date codes na nakalagay sa loob, dun mo malalaman kasi kung kailan ginawa, and one sign to tell kung original or fake yung bag mo is yung mga date code, date stamp. Now, they've improved. They used a microchip. Through your phone, makikita mo na pag in-scan mo. Actually, it's a smart move for me. There were people asking me about it. Sa akin, okay siya. Kasi ikaw mismo, personally, you can already tell. And I don't authenticate bags. Again, I'm saying that. I'm going to discuss that in another episode, why I don't authenticate bags. That's a different topic, but I will say that. I will discuss that one time. Yun talaga, maganda yung ginawa nilang microchip ngayon na pag-check ng authenticity and kung yung bag. Okay, ito naman, ito sa mga favorites ko. This one is the vanity bag. Yung vanity bag nilabas nila, bago lang to, parang 2018 or 2019. Tapos, 2020, naglabas sila ng Game On Collection. Nung bata ako, mga 2000s, merong nilabas na collection ang Louis Vuitton. Si Marc Jacobs pa ang alam ko na creative director that time. In collaboration with Takashi Murakami. But that time, hindi ko pa afford bumili ng mga colorful at saka ng mga Louis Vuitton na gamit. So, sabi ko, sana meron din akong ganun. Nagkaroon ako noon, pero kailangan ko rin ibenta. Kasi, syempre, mas maganda yung offer and kailangan ko iparol. Nagsa-start pa lang akong entrepreneur dati eh. So, may nag-offer ng magandang price, I had to let it go. Tapos, nung 2020, nilabas nila to. Meron akong notebook nito. Nakita nyo na yan sa haul ko. Na-inlove ako kasi sabi ko, it's almost exactly the same as the Murakami na collection. And binili ko siya kasi parang fulfilling my childhood dreams na nung dati hindi ko kayang bumili. Tapos, ngayon, yung mga collections na kamukha niya, pwede ko nang bilhin kasi pinaghihirapan ko sila. Ganun. Natutuwa ako. Hindi ko ginagawa to. I don't share my stuff talaga. It's actually my comfort zone. But I'm sharing them not for anything, but instead to inspire people na kagaya ko na, alam mo yun, dati hindi ko kaya, tapos dahil nagsisikap ka, dahil naniniwala ka sa sarili mo, and wala kang tinatapakang ibang tao na, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa negosyo, di ka naninira or what, kaya mong i-achieve yung mga bagay na gusto mo. So, yun. Daming hanash. Anyway, dito tayo sa On The Go. Okay, ang dami naghahanap nito ng, nagtatanong nito sa mga Q&As pag nagko-Q&A ako. Is it Team On The Go daw ba or Team Dior? I'm going to answer that in another episode, so you have to watch out for it. Meanwhile, kailangan i-discuss ko sa inyo yung favorite kong isa sa mga favorite kong On The Go. This is the PM size. It's in white. Takot ako sa white na bag actually, but this one is an exception because it's really nice. It looks so pretty. Ang ganda-ganda niya. And then it comes with a strap. Ayan. This is the smallest size by far ng On The Go. On The Go has 3 sizes. The GM, the MM, and this is the PM. I used to have it in black also. But yeah. I kept the white. So there. It's really, really nice. I love it. It's just so... It looks so classy having the monogram print in it. And it's in the prawn leather. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. In love ako sa kanya. Nang ma-in love ako sa'yo. Anyway, moving forward. Okay, dito na tayo sa mga limited collections ko. This one is a Petit Mal. Ang Petit Mal is a mini trunk. I have a thing for trunks, and one time I'm going to share with you my collection ng mga mini trunks, hindi lang ng Louis Vuitton. Meron din akong mga Goyard na ganito. Talagang pinag-iipunan ko to every time. This one is called the Maquillage. It's a limited edition piece na nabili ko sa Dubai. So, there, eto, talaga collection ko rin to, pero hinay-hinay lang sa pagbili kasi medyo pinag-iipunan talaga tong mga to. Currently, gusto ko rin ng mga kepal kasi pag, diba, syempre baby, ang dami naming gamit. Kahit pa paano, gusto ko, maayos yung mga gamit namin and very presentable siya kahit yung loob niya eh. Daming langan. Siyempre, pag may baby, daming dalang gamit, diba? So, I have the Horizon. Meron akong Horizon. Na-feature ko na to sa mga basics. Yung luggage, I have it. And I also have the Kepal. This is the new version of the Kepal. Bago to, it's from the men's collection. Sa size 40. So, anong size? Dati kasi ang pinakamalit nila was a 45. And the 40 used to belong to the Speedy family. But now, ginawa nila yung 40, in-include na nila sa Kepal. So, it comes with a strap. Ayan. This one. And, may mga stuffer siya sa loob. Ayan. So, pwede mo siyang i-carry by the hand or i-carry mo siya by the shoulder. Usually, yung mga binibili kong Kepal, unisex yung mga niya. And magaganda kasi yung mga men's collection, lalo na lately. And meron akong binili na watercolor nito. Kasi syempre, ang nagbubuhat si daddy. So, hindi pwedeng girly-girly yung mga ganito ko. Kailangan, consider ko lagi na Bubuhatin nga pala ni daddy to, hindi lang ako. Kaya, yon. Eto, I'm down to my very last favorites or currently, mga pinag-iipunan ko na style. Let's go to the Capucines. The Capucines is so nice. Kasi dati ko na siyang gusto. Pero hindi ako bumibili ng mga super mahal. But yung starting ng price point nito is 200 plus. So parang hindi ko siya, parang sabi ko, for Louis Vuitton, nahihirapan akong, i-justify siya. At a time. Kaya lang, one time, nung lumabas tong 1854 Heritage Collection, if you could remember yung perfume haul ko, meron akong perfume holder nito, 1854. And then, si mama kasi, tsaka ako, nag-chat kami malagi. So, one time, screenshot to ni mama. Si mama, budol talaga. Screenshot niya yung mga gusto niya. Actually, nagko-comment yun sa YouTube. Tapos, I'm looking forward to buy for my like this, like that. Yun, wala kang kawala. Kung di, kailangan meron din siya, twinning kayo. Ganon si mama. Mahusay talaga yung nanay ko. Doon ko naman yung katalinuhan ko eh. So, anyway, ito, ni-screenshot niya, thinking that it was like a PM size or a BB size. A BB size is this one. So, may reason why ko to binili. Pero gagawan ko to ng sariling episode kasi may collection talaga ako ng Capucines. The 1854, ni-screenshot ni mama. Tapos sinend niya sa akin, sabi niya, baka naman. Ganun lang kasi si mama. So, ibig sabihin nun, bilin mo. Baka hindi ka kanya-kunyari pinipressure, pero bilin mo na. Sabi ko sa isip ko, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam, naghahantay ako ng sign. Nung sinabi ni mama na, bilin mo nga yan. Sabi ko, yes! May katwiran na ako para bilhin ko siya. Tapos nung dumating siya, hindi ako nagkamali na bumili talaga kasi ang ganda, the details are so intricate. And I have a thing for that. Intricate pa ulit-ulit kung sasabihin yan. Look at the details. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda. And it's in blue. I don't usually buy a lot of blues, but the color and para siyang maong, para siyang denim. And the strap, makapal yung strap. So, ang ganda niya. You can wear it when you're wearing a dress or when you're wearing your jeans or just shorts or something dressy. Tapos, ang ganda. Basta, hindi ko ma-explain. Ang masasabi ko lang, ganda ka, girl. Yon. This is the mini size. So, this is the smallest. I have another mini, but papakita ko na lang yan sa, pag shinare ko yung collection ko. And then, this is the next size. This is the BB. This is the BB collection. This is, the reason why I got this is because of the color purple. Yung logo niya is color purple. It's amethyst. So, yan. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yun yung reason. Tsaka talagang, na-obsessed ako sa kanya parang petimal. So, kinolect ko rin siya. Kinolect ko yung Capucines. So, there. Meron pa ba ako nakalimutan? Parang wala na. So, I think I have to wrap it up. That's about it for now. That's my favorite Louis Vuitton pieces. And I hope you enjoyed this episode with me and looking at the cute stuff and the fun stuff that I have accumulated over the years. Hindi to isang bilihan lang. Talagang pinag-ipunan, pinaghirapan lagi kung sinasabi yan. These are the things that are my favorites. And I hope you enjoyed today. I'm going to see you on the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below on the next episodes that you'd like me to feature. And of course, that bell button right here so that you'll get to be notified with whatever it is that we're going to do on our channel. Again, this has been Aimee. I'm going to see you soon. Bye!